The cabin AC filter in 2018-2021 Jeep Wranglers is located behind the glove box on the passenger side. First, open the passenger side door. Empty the glove box. Then gently pull it downward to release from hinges. You may need to squeeze the sides of the glove box inward to clear the stops. Behind the glove box, you'll see a rectangular plastic cover secured by screws or clips. Remove these fasteners. Carefully slide the old filter out, noting its orientation. Airflow arrows point toward the cabin. Dispose of the old filter properly. Take your new cabin AC filter, typically Mopar part number 6828815A or an equivalent, and insert it into the housing in the same orientation as the old filter. Ensure the airflow arrows are pointing towards the cabin. Replace the plastic cover and secure it with the screws or clips you removed earlier. Reattach the glove box by aligning the hinges and pushing it back into place until it clicks or snaps in. Turn on your Jeep's AC system and set it to recirculate mode for a few minutes to clear any remaining debris.